All right, consecutive interior angles. So the first thing, let's look at again. Here we go. Here's our transversal. All right, it's the line that intersects two or more other lines. And we're going to be picking one angle from up in this intersection and one angle from down in this intersection. Now, with that being said, we're looking for consecutive interior angles from those two different intersections. I'm going to go with the interior part first just because it's easier to explain. Interior means it's in between the two lines cut by the transversal. So that angle has to be somewhere in here, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, consecutive is a fancy way of saying it will be on the same side of the transversal. So, for example, 4 and 6 are consecutive angles because they are on the same side of the transversal. They're also interior because they're in that blue region in between the two lines. So 4 and 6 would be an example of consecutive interior angles. Okay, and then let's look at 3 and 5 would also be an example of consecutive interior because they're on the same side of the transversal. They're between the two lines intersected by the transversal.